Hey guys, this is Gloria. I am back to share with you guys a collective haul from a few different places. And I ran to Hobby Lobby as well as Dollar Tree. And where else did I run? No, I got something in the mail, so I'll share with you guys all of that. First off, from Dollar Tree, I wanted to share with you guys these books. And this one is a question and answer, 4 years, 1,460 sketches. It's a 4-year journal. It's for creatives. And I thought this was so cool. I only found one of these, but I think these make perfect gifts, great gifts. But these have different, different squares in it, and it tells you what to do each particular day. Like this particular day on April 12th, it says create a pie chart that describes your day. For example, 20% crappy, 30% meeting, 10% on the bus. So I just thought this was really cool and will make a great gift for someone. So I went on and picked that up. I also found this book, and I was able to find 2 of these, which was great. And this says Encyclopedia of Me, My Life from A to Z, a guided journal. And so this one as well is one of those journals where it prompts you clothing, cherished item of, and then you can write down whatever you want to write there. So I thought this was really cool. On this page it says cities, love these, would love to visit these. And so then you write the cities that you want to visit and the cities that you love. So I thought that was really, really cool. So I was able to find 2 of those, so I did pick those up. I also found this super pretty composition book, and they only had this one, and this side was messed up, but I was like, you know, I can always cover that up and do something different with that. But I picked this up because I did buy that composition book holder. I think it's by Webster's Pages from Hobby Lobby, and I do use it at work, and so I thought this would be really pretty to put in the inside of that. I also picked up this student monthly planner, and I plan on maybe altering it a bit, but I like it because the calendar pages is just one big page, and then you can decorate and do whatever you want. But I normally write things within the box, and so I don't really do like those lists and stuff like that. But even if I did, there is an area over here to do that. But this is a 2018-2019 student monthly planner that I found at the Dollar Tree as well. So those things I picked up. And just move these to the side. And kind of be all over the place. I was able to run to Tuesday morning, and I did find a few things there. I picked up this Project Life Becky Higgins set, and it was $4.99. Here's the SKU number right here, 1993368, and I just thought it was really pretty. Here's some of the cards on the back right here. There's 64 by 6 cards, and there's 30 different designs. They repeat 2 times. And then there's 3x4s. There's 120 3x4 journaling cards and 40 different designs, so they repeat 3 times, which is great. So I plan to use these for some albums and stuff for my grandbaby. So I thought that was a great find. This was from the Dollar Tree. I did pick these rings up. I'm gonna try to spray paint these rings gold, and we'll see how that goes. Then back to Tuesday morning, I was able to find these Project Life Baby Boy. This one's called Baby Boy. And the SKU number on here is 2004124. It comes with 2 embossing folders. One is a stripe and one is a star, and I thought that was really cute. I was able to find this Richard Garay embossing folder. The number on here is 1985651, and it was $1.99. This is Lumberjack Days knitted pattern. I was so happy to have found this one. I really, really wanted this one. The number on here is 2004123. It has this really small, dainty bow pattern on the smaller one, and then it has this really cute scallop heart on the larger one. So those are the patterns right there. Really cute. I did pick up this by Richard Garay. It was the SKU number is 1985663, and it was $4.99. It has these really cute flowers, and then you can cut them out with the dies. So I thought that was a great deal. I found the snowman. I was super excited to have found him because I thought he was super cute. The number on here is 1976942, and it was $2.99. I found this ephemera pack. Happiness is Homemade, and it's by Echo Park. And this one was $1.99, and these are the patterns here. My daughter just got her first place, so I was thinking to maybe make her a recipe book. Let's see. I also got Hobby Lobby. I also got some stuff that I ordered from LDRS Creative, and I was kind of late to the party on this because some of the stuff was sold out, but I was able to get these few items, and they were super inexpensive. I got 4 items, and I paid $11.83, I believe, for everything. This is 2 embossing folders, and this is the quilted dragonfly. And there's 2 in here, one with the opening here where you can stamp a sentiment, and then one is just a full folder, which looks like these on the back. I also picked up this one, and this is the 8-piece set, and it's called Fancy Squares and Little Things. And this is the way it looks. And I love to get dies when they're colored. It's just something about having like colored dies. They just look so pretty. I also got this Creative Basics Background Builders, and this is what these look like. And then I also got this Cutting Edge Borders, and this is what these look like. So again, I paid $11.83, and I think maybe shipping was even free, so not a bad deal at all. Then I went to Hobby Lobby, and at Hobby Lobby I picked up a lot of clearance stuff. I went there looking for the pretty LOL stuff, but they didn't have what I was looking for. They had some of the stuff, but they didn't have everything, so I plan to go back. But I was able to find this light steamer seam too, and these are the letters that you can actually iron onto fabric, then cut it out, and then put it down on your project, and then iron it down, and then your letters will stick to your whatever you're ironing on, similar to this. But I picked it up because I'm just going to use the whole sheet. I'm not going to really use the letters for that. But it was on clearance for $1.99, and you do get 8 sheets in here. And you know, so I plan to like use this to maybe put some fabric on felt or something like that. But it was regular $7.99. It's on clearance for $1.99. These were on sale last week, so I was able to pick these up. And this is the blush color, I believe, and then this is the gold. These were $4.99 each to make bows and different things with. I found this on clearance by Stitch Happy, and it was $1.24. They had this one, and they had a green color one as well. But I just went on and picked up the red because I didn't have the red thread. This was also on clearance for 49 cents. It's just a yellow gingham ribbon, so I went on and picked that up. This ribbon, which is like the faux leather, and it's in silver, and this was $1.74 on clearance, regular $6.99. I picked up these bow ribbon, and this was 99 cents on clearance. I pretty much picked up all clearance. This yellow tulle with the little stones in it was $1.49 on clearance. This one was 99 cents, regular $3.99, and this is light blue with the glitter to make bows and stuff with. I also picked up this fabric, and it was $2 for a yard on clearance as well. So I went on and picked that up. And I found this bow ribbon. I thought this was really cute, and this one was 74 cents on clearance. Very, very pretty. And then last but not least, from there I picked up this material, and I just thought it was really cute, and it was only $1.13. So I went on and picked that one up as well to do some type of project with that. And so that was all that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Let's see. I got a few more things from the Dollar Tree. I did pick up this, and my plan is to use this for some type of book for my grandbaby, and I'm thinking maybe I don't know if I'm going to cover this up and put her name on here or just leave it that way, but it's really pretty, and it came from the Dollar Tree. It's that same pattern from the composition book, and it has pink in the inside, like a light baby pink. So I thought this was really cute, so I went on and picked that up. I picked these up, and these are baseballs. These were at the Dollar Tree as well, and they're hard plastic, but the reason why I picked them up is because I think these will make great tops of ice cream cones. Instead of buying the foam, which is like $5.99 for a bag, you can buy this for $1, and you get 3 of them in a bag, and you can make the ice cream cones with this. So that's the reason why I picked that up. I also found this wire, and I was going to try to see if I can use this and make a few words or something like that with my Happy Jig. So those things were at the Dollar Tree. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping all around here. Okay, and last but not least, I ran to Joann because they had the felt on sale. And this is all of the felt that I picked up, because you guys know I love to cut felt with my Cricut Maker. And so I just picked up a bunch of different colors that I thought that I would use. And so these were on sale for 8 for $2, and then there was an additional 25% off your entire purchase. So I went on and picked those up. My Joann just started carrying, I guess they just started carrying, I don't know, but I saw these for the first time yesterday, the pink and the mint wire. So I went on and picked up one of each of these. These were regular $4.99, but they were 30% off and then an additional 25% off. So that wasn't bad for that. And then I also picked up 2 more of the fabric grip Cricut mats to use for my felt. And so I think that is about it. I think that's all that I picked up and got in. And so, as always, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.